Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on circles. Now in this video we'll discuss some of the important questions related to circles and which are very important from the exam point of view. So you have to watch this video very carefully. So let's discuss the question first. Now the question says that if a line intersects two concentric circles, so first me let you know that concentric circle are circle, one circle within the another circle like this. You can see this and this, they are concentric circles. Now with center O at A, B, C and D, we need to prove that AB equals to CD, right? So let's say how we can do this. Now if we draw perpendicular from O to this chord, so as we know that the chord bisects, when we draw a perpendicular from the center to a chord, it bisects the chord. So let's say this is M. Now we can say that BM equals to MC if we take BCS chord, BCS chord, right? Now if we take outer circle, then AD is chord, right? So if we take perpendicular from O to M, then it bisects the chord AD then also, so we can write AM equals to MD. So let it be second and let it be first. Now AM can be written as AB plus BM, right? And MD can be written as MC plus CD, right? So let it be equation 3. Now, as we know, BM equals to MC, so we can cancel it out. So what we are left with, AB is equals to CD. So this is how we can solve these type of questions. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. The question number 2 says that if two equal chords of a circle intersect within a circle, then we need to prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center of a circle makes equal angles with the chord. So let's say how we can do this. So let's say we have a circle like this, and let's say this is a chord and this is another chord. Let's say this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Now let's say this is a center, right? So let's say this is a point of intersection T. Now, so let's say we draw a perpendicular from this to this and from this to this. So let's say this is U and let's say this is V, right? Now we need to prove that, let's say this is O, we need to prove is angle OTU, means this angle is equals to this angle equals to angle OTV. So let's say how we can prove this. First we need to write given. So it's given that PQ equals to RS. The chords are equal. So if the two chords are equal, they are also equidistant from the center. So we can say that OU is also equals to OV. Now, so let's say how we can prove this. So first, again, we need to consider triangle OUT and triangle OVT. Now in this triangle, OU equals to OV. It's given. We can say that it's given. Why? Because the two chords are equal. If the two chords are equal, they are equidistant from the center, right? Now angle OUT equals to angle, let's say OVT, each 90 degree, right? And then OT equals to OT, common side, right? So we have three conditions. So we can say that triangle OUT is congruent to triangle OVT by RHS, right? So these two triangles are congruent by RHS, right? So we can say that angle OTU equals to angle OTB by CPCT. right? So this is how we can solve these type of questions. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 says that we have a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony, and three boys, Ankush, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So we need to find the length of a string of each phone. So let's see how we can do this. So first we need to draw a circle like this, and let's say this is a center, this is a here three boys are sitting. Let's say this is Ankur and this is Syed, so this is David, right? Let's say this is a center. Now we pass a line through a center and which is perpendicular to the chord like this. So let's now, as we know that AB is a median. Why? Because when we draw a perpendicular from a center, it bisects the chords, means this equals to this, and it passes through the center of a circle, so it becomes a median of an equilateral triangle. Why it's an equilateral triangle? Because the length of each string is equal, it's given. So all we know that circumcenter of equilateral triangles divides the median into two in the ratio 2:1, right? So we can say that circumcenter of equilateral triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1, right? So this means this part is 2 and this part is 1, right? Now we can say that OA by OB is 2/1. Why? Now OA is 20 meters, it's given, it's a radius. So as you can see properly, it's a radius, so we can put 20 over OB equals to 2/1. So OB equals to 10 meters, right? So we have OB as 10. Now so let's say how we can find the length of a strings now. Let's say we join these 2 points now. So let's say we consider now triangle OSB. So in triangle OSB, OS is radius again, right? So OS is given to be 20 meters and we have OB as 10 meters. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of SB, right? So we can say that OS square equals to OB square plus SB square. Now OS square is 20, so it's a radius, it's given. Now OB square is 10 square plus SB square we need to find, so it is 400 equals to 100 plus SB square, right? So we have SB square equals to 400 minus 100, so SB square equals to 300. So SB is under root of 300, so it will come out to be 10 under root 3, right? So since it's given that ASB equals to BD, since it's a chord and it's a chord being bisected, so we can say that SD is 2 times of SB, so it will be 2 times of 10 under root 3. So we have SD as 20 under root 3, right? So we have now if SD is 20 under root 3, so AD will be, so AS will be, so we can say that the length of the string of each phone is 20 under root 3. So this is how we can solve these type of questions. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day.